Coming from Corso Portanuova, you have to go through the Gate of the Clock, also called the Gates of the Bra. This was part of a powerful defensive wall of the Scaligia Visconti age, and today it opens the view over the monumental width of one of the most beautiful squares in Europe. On the right there is the 18th century Granguardia. It's the largest building in the city, and today it houses exhibitions and conferences. In late Renaissance style, the building was actually started in 1610 and finished 2 centuries later. Continuing the tour of the square, on the right you can see the present town hall, named Barbieri Palace after the architect Giuseppe Barbieri, who designed it in 1838, inspired by the classical style for the facade. And here is the queen of all the monuments in Verona, the Arena, the symbol of the city, and the element that marks all local architecture and gives it both a great and rustic nature. Built in the Roman style, this open-air theatre mixes with all the other artistic and architectural styles, making Verona a unique city. Today, the Arena is known everywhere thanks to the inimitable opera performances, appreciated every year by thousands of opera fans and common spectators. In fact, it is the largest amphitheatre in the world, hosting operas such as Aida by Giuseppe Verdi. However, the most particular and lively part of the Bra is the west side of the square, the terrace of buildings and houses, with the large pink stone pavement designed for the daily walks of inhabitants and tourists, the so-called Listón. Under the arcades, the shops, restaurants and cafes welcome passers-by for refreshment. Among the buildings we can admire for its elegant proportion and Renaissance grace, Palace Guastaversa Malfatti, attributed to the 16th century architect San Michele. Finally, returning to the starting point of the tour, on the right of the Gate of the Clock there is the lapidary Maffei Museum, which hosts a collection of reliefs and marble commemorating the Greek, Etruscan and Roman ages in an elegant 18th century building.